Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm doing a super simple set of nails. I'm just doing this kind of like icy periwinkle lilac type of pastel color underneath a cover acrylic at the cuticle. And I'm gonna marble on blooming gel with the same color. So it's gonna be like super subtle. You're not gonna notice until you get right up on the nails. And then I'm gonna put some crystals on. So just super easy today. My channel, the original goal was to do sets of nails that anyone can do and that I personally would wear. So like the super flashy stuff, I think with enough practice anyone can do them, and if they're your style you would wear them. But my real goal is for sets like this, because you can do like the mossy nails or like the aquarium nails and stuff. That stuff is not for my channel. That stuff is way too complicated for me. I like a good laid back set of nails that's pretty low key. So this is pretty much that. So yeah, I'm just doing just one color of gel underneath this acrylic and I'm ombreing that. And then I am going to just marble the same exact color. So like I said, I'm just repeating myself, but it's super subtle. It's kind of an icy look for winter time, but still light enough to not be dark or gloomy or anything like that. Yeah, super simple set today. I'll check back in if I have anything to add. going in with blooming gel, and I'm just going to take a liner brush and just kind of streak through it with the same exact color gel that I had before. So again, it's super subtle. It's something that like I would appreciate like on my own nails that I can look at all the time, but I'm not going to notice, you know, a girl walking down the street past me with these nails. It's just going to be like something you notice close up, and that's cute, you know, and dainty looking and light and all that. Just a nice, cute, simple set. Anyone can do this nail art. It's just dragging a color through some blooming gel to marble, and obviously it looks better if you've got like black marble on white or something like that. But again, I just wanted this to be like a super low-key set that's still in the winter theme and the color palette and stuff like that. But yeah, we're just doing blooming gel. I typically do 2 nails at a time and flash cure. I think I cut that out, but I will flash cure with my little lamp, the little handheld one, and then do the other 2. Flash cure that super quick before I move the hand. Make sure I wipe the sides down before you flash cure, and then put it in the lamp for a minute. So yeah, I'm just working on those first 2, and then flash cure, and then move on. Super easy. So now I'm just going in with some white gel paint. I'm gonna do some nail art. I'm just doing some stars. They're kind of random. They're like the 4 spike stars versus the little 8 spike ones. There's 2 on some nails and 3 on some other nails. They're just kind of random. And then I do a little crystal right in the center of them. And that is pretty much it for the nail art. A super simple set, but again, super cute, dainty, and also like really feminine, like when you get close to them and see them on your hands and everything, and they glimmer in the light. They got a little marble going on, but subtle, nothing crazy or loud, you know. But yeah, I'm just doing these stars here, and then I think I do top coat right after this because I just do the crystals on top. You know me, I have to do a glossy top coat, so I just go ahead and do the top coat first before I do like flowers and crystals and stuff like that if I'm gonna do glossy. So yeah, this simple, really cute nail art with a liner brush, gel top coat, and then some crystals. And that's the finished set, you guys. Sorry there wasn't much dialogue this video. It's a super simple set to recreate if you want to, and it's super subtle to wear, nothing crazy. So there wasn't much to say, just super easy. But I love this set. I love the color, and yeah, super cute. Let me know what you think.